Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Doordash unable to verify identity. So the first step you simply need to do is to open the Doordash app. So once you open, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top here and make sure that you complete all your details correct. Check your address, your name and all others important detail and make sure that your detail is correct. But let's suppose if your detail is not correct, you need to make your detail correct. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and search for the DoorDash and you need to update your application. After that, you need to go into the settings of your smartphone and here you need to go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the DoorDash. Click on that and click on storage and cache. The first step you need to do is to clear cache and after that you need to clear storage and then you need to allow all permissions from here and after that you need to restart your application and after that your issue will be get solved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.